Those times I didn't feel like many things were positive. My name's Steven Simmons, and I'm Burma's cat dad. Burma was there through the tough times as well, just like puppies. Puppy I found on a mountaintop in 2004, and the only time I've been away from her was during my time in Iraq. She's been through the hardest times with me. She's been with Burma from the start as well. So I got Burma 4 years ago when this homeless girl came up with a box of kittens. I knew the second she handed him to me that I was going to keep him. He was absolutely irresistible.
Adventure cat. Where do we go, Burma?
He doesn't like being held. He's got his own way of affection, and it doesn't include being held. Yeah. He doesn't want to just lay around and do nothing. He wants to be active, and he wants to be on the go, and he needs stimulation. Animals can take a little bit of loneliness away from you and companionship that you might not otherwise have. The thing about Puppy, she doesn't ask like where we're going. She doesn't care if she's cold. She's just happy to be with me. It's true unconditional love, the way it should be. They're absolutely my best friends, my brother, my sister, family, and I wouldn't know what to do without them.